Making and receiving hands-free calls using a connected Bluetooth-compatible smartphone has never been so simple. When receiving an incoming call, a message will appear in the multi-information display, or if equipped, the heads-up display, to alert you. Toggle the left selector wheel to the right to accept the call. Toggle the left selector wheel to the left to ignore or end a call already in progress. The incoming call message will also appear on the B screen of the display. You can also answer the call using the smaller area touchpad by clicking the top corner to accept or the bottom corner to ignore. If the phone app is currently displayed in the larger screen, you can accept or ignore by highlighting and clicking the desired options on the touchpad. If you want to make a call, you can access your paired phone's functions by clicking Phone on the home screen. Here, you can browse recent calls, view your contacts, dial a number, or quickly access stored favorites along the bottom of the screen. By clicking Contacts, you can access the address book stored on your phone. To make a call, click Call next to the contact.